everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Lelit Victoria with us in the shop. And I came in for a few issues, but it mainly summed up to the sensor on the back. What had happened is that the machine would keep prompting the water tank level sensor when the water tank was full, but it was just because of how the water tank was oriented. As you can see, it's already working right now, and I've ran a few different tanks of descaler and water, and it still hasn't had any issues since. What we ended up doing was a tune-up on the machine. This machine really did need a tune-up. We actually have a few parts here. So this is the original gasket, and also the original shower screen with a lot of coffee built up in it. So what we did is we deep cleaned the entire group head out, cleaned it up, replaced the shower screen and gasket, and also the internal gasket too. Put it back together, cleaned it, descaled the boiler and the steam wand. There's quite a bit of scale. It actually changed the water quite a bit, so we also descaled it, and then also cleaned the steam wand with detergent, as you can see here. So now we're going to quickly do a shot. I'm going to put this in there and grab a cup real quick. For the first few seconds, it's going to be a pre-infusion. That's how the customer has this one set to. Then it's going to activate. It's going to go up in bars of pressure. We're looking at about 9 bars. This is going to be a really good shot. I'm going to stop that about 20 seconds. It's a little too fast, but pressure was perfectly fine, and looks really good actually. Then we're going to turn this off, pull this out. We also did backflush the machine since there was a lot of coffee in the pipes going backwards into the solenoid. We did backflush it just to make sure that it was nice and clean. Now we're going to quickly turn this on to steam, and we're going to come back when the steam is ready. Alrighty, now that we have it heated up, we're going to pull this to the side here. We're just going to open the valve. And we're going to get pretty good steam. You do have to drain a little bit of the water on the single boilers just to kind of make space for it, but you will get a pretty consistent steam overall. Now we're going to just turn this off. It's going to refill itself with water. Usually you want to keep that steam wand open just to run some of the water out and some of the steam out. Once the steam is consistent, or once the steam is completely gone, like right now, you can just close this up. It'll refill the boiler on its own so that you don't underfill the boiler and pop the vino in it. Yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.